Here's how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer. We need to get your settings to either be able to deactivate it or delete your account. To do that, we'll tap on your profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now within the settings, they usually put it within the account center. This essentially houses all of your accounts through Meta. So your Facebook account as well as your Instagram account, and you can choose to delete either one in there. So from here, we're going to tap on the account center and then personal details. And now you'll be able to see account ownership and control, manage your data, including deactivating your profile or permanently deleting it if you choose to do so. So let's tap on that and then deactivation or deletion. Of course, this is for Instagram, so choose your Instagram account. Now this is where it says you can either temporarily deactivate your account, or if you wanted to, you can decide to delete it permanently, which will delete out all of your photos and videos, etc. In this case, let's choose to deactivate account and hit continue. Now you'll be able to see it will also deactivate your Threads account, and you can just hit continue. Most of the time, it will ask you for your password for your account. I'll show you what it looks like. Let me just enter in the password real quick for my account and then hit continue. Most of the time, after you get through this, it will ask you why you want to do this. It doesn't really matter. Just choose whatever. And at the very bottom, this is important. Instead of 7 days, we want to choose to don't reactivate automatically, aka you want to be able to choose when you want to reactivate it. Now let's just hit the continue button, and when you're ready to go, either hit the deactivate account, or if you chose to, hit the delete account button, and you're good to go.